Mr. Square, where are you? Here I am with my 4 sides. But are they only 4? There are 4 equal sides. How are you, little angels? I hope you're well. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu Learning Simplified. Now, we are doing same length. But now, I want to slightly change something from what we've learned last. Last, it was just the direction of the straw. If you put it upright in the horizontal manner, in the diagonal manner, does it change the size? That one was according to lines. But now, what if you decide to change your items into shape? We looked at these ropes and we said, when you look at them like this, they are of the same size. Are you seeing my 2 ropes? They are of the same size. But now, I decide this rope, I wanna change one. I make this one to be in the upright manner. As shown on the board, like that. There, this one is in the upright manner. This one was in the upright manner like this, like the other rope. But I decide now, this one I want to change the shape in that it appears in the circular manner. Like this. Are you seeing this? The same rope, same size, same length. But I've decided now, this one to appear in a circular manner. Seeing this? This one now appears in the circular manner. So, when you look at those 2 ropes, the initial rope, when it was in the upright manner, it was of the same length with the vertical rope. This rope was the same, it was on this side. Then I decided to remove it and now change this rope into a circular manner. Hello, are we together? Now, if someone asks here a question and says, which one is longer? Which one is longer? Between A and B. Which one is longer? Between A and B. Teacher, you are really confusing us. How? What did I say? Just follow the rules, what I said. In the previous lesson, I said, if I'm standing upright like this, and then I decide now, this time round, I want to lie on the floor flat. Does it make me now increase in the size? It does not make me increase in the size. This is my desk. Let's assume this is my desk. My desk is facing this direction. I think when my desk is facing this direction. But my desk has the same length with this one. And this other desk is facing this direction. Now, if someone asks you, between this desk and this desk, which one is longer? Will you tell me, now this one is longer because it's facing this direction, and this one is shorter because it's facing this direction. Does it change the size of the length? It does not change the size of the length. The same way to this question. I remember I used these blocks and they're still there. When I said, my red block is in the vertical position. It's in the diagonal position. My green block is in the vertical position. And my orange block is in the horizontal position. And initially, they were of the same size. Now, when I change their direction like that, does it make the red block longer than the yellow block, the green block? Or does it make the green block longer than the orange block? It does not. So, we have said, let us undo this and see. How many are saying it will change direction? How many? Just raise up your hand. If you're raising up your hand, raise up your hand. How many says it will change position? The length. Let's see if it will change the length. or it will remain the same. So I have now my rope in the original shape, and I now want to put it next to the friend and see, will it change the position, the length, the size of the length, will it change or it will remain the same? So what can you tell me? Has it changed the size of the length? No, no, no. The length of the rope A and rope B still remains the same. It will not change. So what are we saying? The direction does not affect the length of something. The direction does not affect the length of something. Are we together? The black pen is the same length with the red pen and is the same length with the green pen. Even if I decide to put this one like this, the length still remains the same. Even if I decide to put this one like this, the length still remains the same. So, does the direction of something affect its length? It does not affect its length. The orientation, the shape, the direction does not affect the length of an object. Now, I want us to look at these lines and tell me something. Let me measure using my So we have here line A, line D, and line C. The question is, which one is longer? Which one is longer? Yes, Janet? None. All are the same length. So none is long. So all have the same length. Line A, line B, and line C have the same length. Are we together? Now, this is my rectangle. Look at this rectangle of mine. This one is, and this one is facing like this. And I'm being asked, A and B. Look at the two rectangles. Which one has a longer? Which one is longer? Between A and B, the rectangles are the same. I've only changed the direction of the rectangle, but the size remains the same. The size remains the same. The size of these two rectangles remains the same. So what are we saying? The direction of an object does not change its length. Repeat. The direction of an object does not change its length. Whether it's in the upright manner, in the horizontal manner, in the diagonal manner, the length remains the same. Little angels, are we together? Have you understood? I hope you will join me in the next lesson as we explore more and we measure now and see if this length from here and here comes like 3 sticks or 4 sticks. Then I decide to overturn my blackboard. It faces upside down like this. Then I measure the length because now the length will be on the side. Will it affect the length of the blackboard? Or will the length of the blackboard remain the same? And if so, what will you have learned? The direction of the blackboard. If I carry this blackboard from here and I put it on the opposite direction where you are, will it increase in the size of the length? It will not increase in the size of the length. Little angels, it was nice having you around, and I wish you well as you join us in the next lesson to do now the real measurement. Thank you.